Everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Happy Wednesday! And y'all know we do this every Wednesday, even though you might get this video on Thursday, but today is actually Wednesday. And like I said, y'all know what it is. I'm at Aldi. They got candles, so we gonna go in here and we gonna check the candles out. But before we do all of that, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos. I truly do appreciate it. Sorry, because the sun is beaming, y'all. That didn't help. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following your girl on Instagram, and using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Like I said, Aldi got candles this week. They got 4 candles, but they came out with the 3-wick version as well as the single wick version. As y'all do know, Aldi candles have went up on the price. The price point is now $4.29 for the 3 wicks, and the price point for the single wicks is $2.50. So I plan on grabbing 4 candles, 2 single wicks and 2 3 wicks. So let's run in here because I ain't got a lot of time. Let's run in here and let's check the candles out and see if they got them. Hopefully they have them. So yeah, before we do that, next week they are going to have a cocktail collection. The candles is going to be and it's going to be 4 different scents. So I think next week candles, y'all already know your girl is here for that. So I will be getting those cocktail candles next week. I'm not sure if I'm going to get all of them, but I most definitely know that I'm going to get some of them. So let's run in here real quick and grab our candles and then come back and talk about them, because your girl, I got lunch again. St. Louis Bread Company, y'all call it Panera, we call it St. Louis Bread Company. That's all I've really been eating since I've been sick is soup. For some reason, that's the only thing I got taste for. I don't know what's going on. But let's head in here. Also, y'all, today it is so cold. The low was 5 degrees, so cold. I think right now the temperature is like 20 something, maybe 25. It's so cold. But let's head on in. Look at that, paper bags now. Okay, Aldi. The new candles for the week. I was happy to see these candles, and it looked like they've been selling a lot of the single wick ones. The 3 wick, as y'all see, they were fully stocked. I actually forgot to check and see if they had the seasonal candles. It just totally slipped my mind, but I did grab a few of these candles and I was happy to get them. As you do see, they have the matching single wicks to the 3 wicks, so I did grab 2 and 2 just to try them. You know, y'all know I love Aldi candles, so it ain't no secret. I seen these floor pillows. It looked like they selling pretty fast, but these pillows are really nice, and they do sell these at Target or Macy's, places like that. I feel like these are good, but the ones at Target is a little bit fluffier or firmer. But for the price, $16 is not bad, because they're like $30 at Target. I was just checking the price of this bike. Damon did buy me the bike, even though y'all know I didn't want to pay that price, but he bought it, so it is what it is. Okay, yeah, I'm back in the car. Yes. Okay, I decided to get the gardenia and basil in the 3-wick version. The scent notes, there's no scent notes this time. Wow, there's no scent notes. But the reason why I got this, because I did see on Instagram someone said that this kind of smells like a honeydew, and I love any candle that comes with honeydew. I don't know why, but I do. I think I like the fact that it has that unique scent. So I decided to grab this, and if it's nice, oh no, this ain't the one. This ain't the honeydew one. Is this the one? I can't remember if this was the one that had the honeydew note in it. But let's smell it. No, I don't think this is the one. This is very floral. This is very floral. Yeah, most definitely get that gardenia. I don't really get the basil part, but I'll burn it to see. So I did grab one. The next one is cucumber and citrus. Cucumber and citrus. I love when they do yellow candles. So nice. I love yellow. Yellow just makes me happy. You know, yellow is just like a happy color to me. So anytime I see yellow candles, it just kind of put a little smile on my face. So I like that. And again, no scent notes. Cucumber, citrus. This, I think, is the one that smells a little bit like honeydew, I guess. I don't know. I like this one. You get that cucumber. I like this one. I probably should have got two. This is nice. Very unique. And then the single wicks, I decided to grab the Bayberry Vanilla. Bayberry Vanilla in a single wick. It do have a berry scent. I don't really get a lot of vanilla, but the vanilla part might be the sweet part of it. Again, no scent notes, but it is Bayberry Vanilla. That's a weird name, Bayberry. I don't know what that's about, but Bayberry Vanilla. And then the last one I got is the Cabana Linen. Cabana Linen, your typical fresh, clean scent. And that's the reason why I got a little one. I got enough clean scented candles, so I don't really need no more. It smells good. It smells like Tide or some kind of laundry detergent. So if you like those scents, then yes, this would be the pick for you. $2.50, $4.29 on these. And then the last thing I got, let me move all these candles. The last thing I got is this floor pillow, because y'all know when I do my sipping chats, I do sit on the floor. So I decided to grab one of the floor pillows in gray. It looked like it's gray, but it kind of looked brownish. So I don't know. I decided to grab this one. I couldn't figure out if I wanted the round one or the square one. So I figured the square one give me more room, because you know your girl thick with it. So yeah, I decided to get the square. So yeah, it's nice. I do know they sell these at Target for like $30, I think that was the price, but this one was only $17, which was a really good deal, because I do know at Target these are very expensive. So yeah, I grabbed that because this is something I actually really do need. So those were basically all the items that I bought this week at Aldi. So yeah, I think my pick of the week has to be this one. To me, this one kind of stand out of everything. Aldi's do a lot of berry scented candles. They do a lot of floral scented candles. They do a lot of fresh scented candles. But as far as they do citrus, don't get me wrong, but this is a different type of citrus. This is more of a cucumber citrus. You really get that cucumber note. So that's why I think this has to be my pick of the week. It's the one that stands out. It's the unique one. So yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know what was your pick. What did you pick? What did you think about these candles this week? Which one is your favorite out of this week? And how many did you buy this week? So that's gonna be it, y'all. Let's head home so I could show y'all my Bath and Body Works haul. That package finally came. That was the $15.95 sale. Or was it? No, it was the 10 off sale. That's what that was. It was a 10 off sale, and they finally sent my package yesterday. So let's go home and see what I got. Even though some of the 3-wick candles I had already purchased in store, did an exchange for those candles. So yeah, let's head to the crib. Let's head to the crib so y'all can see my home. Y'all can see my home. But also, subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments. Let's head home. Okay, y'all, I'm back home from Aldi, and I just want to show y'all this box that came yesterday. The glare, y'all already know. But this Bath and Body Works box came yesterday, and it took forever to come. But this is the I think this is the $15.95 sale. Plus I have some single wicks that I got free with rewards in here. So let's open this box and get through this super quick, because I actually already bought the candles that I have in here. I already bought them. I went into the store and I did an exchange. If y'all seen that last video, those are basically the same candles I ordered, but they were taking forever. So I just said that I would just exchange out for some. So this is almost like a backup. Oh yeah, I got soap. Also, the soap was on sale too. Glacier Laguna. I forgot all about I had got soap. Yes, this is when these first came out, but it took forever for my order to come. Okay, your girl had to put her granny glasses on. Y'all already know. But Glacier Lagoon is orange, freesia, and lavender. And this is in the foam hand soap. And this is just like that special collection candles. So I guess they decided to do a hand soap version, I guess. I don't know. So this one is nice. Super nice, fresh scent. So I'm assuming that this will be the exact same. I really don't like to open up my soaps because that starts the aging process, but I'm gonna just do it anyway. Yes, fresh. This is nice. I like this one. And I think these soaps was on sale for $3.50, I believe. And I only grabbed 2. Terracotta Canyon and Amber Jasmine Sandalwood. I can't really smell this one. Y'all know I'm still a little bit sick and my sense of smell is still a little off. I think this is going to be nice. Very unique scent with the amber, jasmine, and sandalwood. They do not have a candle in this, but I did decide to grab it just because it was new on the website. And I actually thought that these were going to be online only, but they are in the stores. So yeah, I got the white t-shirt single wick candle because there's no scent notes on the packaging. At least I don't think so. Nope, no scent notes on the packaging, so I do have to read from the website. Pear, lavender, and cedarwood is the scent notes. And as y'all do know, this year they coming out with white t-shirt everything. You could find this in body care, candle form, room spray. I think I have the room spray right here. Room spray. Anything that you want this in, you most definitely could find it. I remember when this thing first came out, we couldn't find it nowhere. It was only in the test areas, and now they just really giving it to us crazy. So I did grab that, and I did get that free with rewards. The next one I got is a new scent this year, which is tea and lemon. This is an online exclusive, and the scent notes is tea, sugar, lemon zest. That's the scent notes. It doesn't say that this is a new fragrance, but it do say it's new for this year. So that tells me that this came out before. Yeah, it smells like tea. It smells like tea and lemon. It's not like super sweet, but it's a tea scent, like those tea leaves with a hint of lemon. And it do have pink wax. You can see that it has this pink, very light colored pink wax. And this is just white. And I did grab 2 of these. Here is the other one. Here's the other one, free with rewards. Here's fresh sheets. And I believe fresh sheets did come out in a wallflower. I think this is the first year that it came out in the candle form, single wick candle form. This is a new fragrance, but I believe this came out in a wallflower before. I'm not 100% sure. Citrus, lavender, apple. Love that mint color on the label. Super cute. White wax, of course. Y'all know these are single wick candles. Oh, this is good. I like it. Fresh. I do get that apple note. What else is in it? Citrus. This is good. Apple and citrus. I don't really get a lot of lavender, but this is good. I might grab another one. Only with rewards, because I don't do buying these. And then, like I said, I told y'all I got 2 candles, and these are basically, I had already got them. The dark truffle candle. I'm trying to hurry up because my battery is dead. And then the next one is this this springtime in Paris was the other candle I got. But y'all do know I hauled these last time because this order was taking so long. One thing I am happy about is that they are protecting the lids, but $29.50 is way too expensive. So if you do want this candle, wait for a really good sale, like a $15.95 or a $14.95, when all of the candles is the same price. A 10 off is not a good sale for these candles because you still will have to pay $20. So yes, this was the last candle I got. So basically that's everything I got. Just some free candles, soap, and these 2 3-wick candles. So leave in the comments, let me know, what did you buy from Aldi's this week? Was this a past week for you? Leave that in the comments. Also, let me know, what was your Aldi pick? Have you got your Bath and Body Works order? I know orders has been taking forever to come. So leave that in the comments, and then I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me some comments, follow me on Instagram. Also follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All of those things really do help my channel, so please support me, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.